When people talk about the cost of entrepreneurship, they focus on the startup capital, the operating expenses, and the marketing budget. But there's another tax that nobody warns you about, and it's way, way, way more expensive. It's the mental and emotional tax. And I often say on the podcast, we can't forget about the human part of business because, of course, the marketing budget, the startup capital, all those things are extremely important, but we cannot forget about that human part. Think about the nights you can't sleep because payroll's coming. You're not sure if the money's actually there. Think about the relationships that get strained because you're always working, you're always on, always stressed, always distracted, always thinking about the next thing and the next thing and the next thing. And this is probably one of the biggest. The version of yourself you lose because you're so busy building the business that you forget to take care of the person actually running it. Now, of course, I'm not telling you this to scare you off. I'm really big into talking about the realistic, the actual part of business, and I try to bring that to alignment as much as possible on the podcast. And I'm telling you this because if you don't account for this cost up front, it could potentially drain you in ways that money actually cannot fix. So here's what I've learned along the journey, and we talk about a lot on the podcast. Build recovery into your schedule. It's like a business expense because it is. And protect that mental energy like you protect your cash flow. The entrepreneur tax is very real, and if you're not careful, it can end up costing you everything. So think about yourself as the computer that needs to be rebooted. Think about yourself as the car that needs the maintenance. Those things are going to be imperative for you reaching the success that you ultimately can have. So I want you to know that, of course, the business budget, the operating expenses, all those things are important, but you're also important because as you're building the business, you're also building yourself. So make sure that you're taking care of yourself so that you can be built into the entrepreneur and CEO that you can be.